Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Levent Geiger. This is the first time, I believe, here on Gordon Guitar with a song called Two Dumb Kids. So it's a funny title there in the song, and it's very easy to play and handle this one. So we'll start with a capo set on the 2nd fret. We have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song and on one strumming pattern that fits very well to it. So let's start with the chords. We have the A minor here, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. C next, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally the D. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so A minor, C, G, and D. That's what's going on here. We will look at the strumming pattern here. Grab the A minor, that is the 1st chord, and one round will be down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. And a couple rounds of it sounds like this. So when you do the up here in the end, you don't have to go all the way like this. You just turn your wrist and hit these top strings down here, the E, B, perhaps the G as well. So just an easy turn there, and that's how you end the strumming. So down, up, clap, up. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So that gives us A minor, C, G, D. Let's go. So there you have it, guys. Levent Geiger, Two Dumb Kids. Good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.